So let's change the name of this heat. Let's call it effect collider. There we go. So that makes much more sense. There, effect collider with combat being. Oh, nice. It kept the configuration. Trigger zone, zeros, enemies, UI. Okay. Building. Okay, so this is an effect collider. Include layers, exclude layers. Okay, let's see if that works. Whoop. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. What's this? So let's see what we can find while it's reloading, importing assets. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Very well. So we have a village. We have a village that takes a tree and that. So I can equip the iron sword. And let's add a cave that takes this. Okay. Oh yes, it works. Nice. Good, good, good. So let's add an effect. Let's see how can I create a nice effect with that plugin, with the demo. This one. Let's see. Okay, explosion, mass magic. This is really nice. Red impact, blue impact. Okay, lightning slash. Nice. Slash blue. Nice slash. Slash magic. Beam, beam. Ice. Fire. Fire trail. Holy aura. Evil aura. Red area. Green area. Purple. Plasma ball. Explosion. Blah, 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 blah. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I think I like this one, slash blue. Let's see, slash blue. How is this working? Slash blue. Effects, materials, models, prefabs. Let's look for slash blue, this one. So it has a core. What's a slash? What's this? Oh, there is a particle system, another, and another core. What's this? Slash blue. Auto destroy in 1 second. Smoke, sparks. This is the core. Play. Can't see anything. Size over lifetime. Play. Okay, let's see. Whoa. So let's see, sparks. No thank you. Smoke. No thank you. Restart. So that's what I want. Restart. Interesting. Slash. So this is the slash. This is the core. Whoop. Nothing happened. Let's try again. Slash. What's this? Emission. Auto random seed. 3D physics. Slash. Interesting. So this is a core, emission, size, rotation, renderer. So this is a mesh that has a material. Look at this interesting material. So there is a material here. Fade from final shape. Okay, then mesh. Custom data, number component 2, let's say 5. Let's say 10. It resets to 4. Let's say 2. Let's say 1. Okay. 2 components. X. What's this? 1. Let's say 500. No idea what this is. Custom data. X 250. 1. I don't see anything that changes. Can I change this here? So let's do it. So this controls the width. Okay, rotation over lifetime. Let's make it slower. So that changed the angle. Okay. Size over lifetime. Size. 200. Doesn't change much. Oh, okay. So this should be linear, right? Like this. Let's do it like this. Let's do 0. Okay, let's do it like this. Rotation, size over lifetime, emission 1. Okay, super slow. Auto random seeds, play on awake, start rotation 0. Start lifetime. Let's do like this. Let's do this. Okay, I get it, but don't save it. How should I do this? Okay, let's just to save time, I'm gonna copy and paste it. Purple, blue, slash blue. This one, I have this. And then where should I copy it? Animus, air impact. What? Small impact. Materials, small impact, slash blue. Okay, let's see. So I just want to make it a little bit less wide rotation. Let's do half. Yeah, that works kinda. 3. 300 sparks. 3. Rotation. No rotation. Okay. And that's because the emission, the renderer, stretched billboard. That's really crazy. That's like huge. Smoke. I don't like the smoke. Sparks. Sparks are okay, but I'm not going to use sparks. Okay, so simulation speed. Size over time. Start rotation 0. Start lifetime, max particles, let's try this. Okay. Emission shape, size, rotation, custom data. So what's this? No idea. Renderer. Enable mesh. Apply. Slash mesh. Tiling. So let's make this y 0.5. All right, this is let's set 1. Yes, better. Contrast. So many. That's a bit crazy. Glow? No, no glow. Color ramp. Slash mesh. Okay, so I'm changing this material. Maybe it's like too much, too wide, and that changes. Let's try this. 20. No, doesn't change anything. Two components, x and y, 20. Angular velocity, let's do 100. Okay, so let's do 10. Size over lifetime. It should be like this. Size over lifetime, emission. Renderers. Show advanced. Phase transition. Speed. X. Scroll speed. Can I see a debug? No. Okay, so let's play with this. Okay, so this changes like the speed of rotation. Let's do 50. Right? What does this change? Oh, it's like, I'm not sure what it does. So are they getting like longer? No, I'm not sure what it changes. Looks good. Custom data. So this is the rotation. Oh, this increases the angle. Right. Zero. What's going on here? Angular velocity. So doesn't change anything. This separate. What is this? Over lifetime. So they should remain like that. Emission 0. Bursts, count, cycles, interval, start size 1. Okay, 1, maybe smaller. Like this. And wait, oh, size over lifetime, custom data, scroll speed, so shape contrast, scroll speed, fade, transition. What's this? Nothing. Oh, fade amount driven by vertex stream, custom 1. Okay, fade amount. Maybe rotation by speed, rotation minus 100, minus this one. That's crazy. 4. So let's do this. And let's do this. Okay, let's try that. Slash blue. Let's see. So we have the hero. Where are you? Hero. So let's create the /VFX here. /blue. Let's see. Can I have the size? Okay. Whoop. 0.1. No. 0.1. 0.01. Looping. Okay, that doesn't change much. So it should change the size over lifetime. That one. All right, smaller. Where are you? /blue. There we are. /0 core there we go. So let's do this 0.5. Ooh, small. There. Wait a second. Like this. Okay. Man, can I just rotate you? Start size over lifetime, rotation over lifetime, renderer, offset, distortion. Okay, play. Let's set your looping. Let's see, 90. Okay. Okay. Play on awake? No. Stop action. Auto random seed max particles. Simulation. Start rotation. Oh, there we go. Start size, start delay, duration 1. So what can I do with this? I want to play the all-in one. Canvas demo projectile to shake, mouse rotate. So what I want to do is animate on particle particle play. So this will start the particles when it gets enabled. Let's see, particle play. So so I want to enable the particle system or play when this object gets enabled. Simple. On inspector GUI. Come on, 2 minutes already. Man. Odin editor, Odin editor, particle play. Come on, 2 minutes. Come on, 3 minutes. Okay, this is... I'm not gonna wait anymore. Unity editor and task. Okay. So I have come on. No cards. Not this, not this. Main map. UI, no. Hero, there we go, hero. I have the slash blue here. I have was it there? VFX? Not on cards. Visual effects. Particle play. Come on. Editor, Odin editor, particle play. Oh, not again. On inspector GUI. What's the matter? Should I close this? I can't. Close. There we go. Okay, so now I do this. I say public void on enable, and this I do something like this. Serialize field. Thank you, serialize. Serialize field. Look at that, it's like it's reading my mind. Particles. Serialize field. Okay, so this particle system I set play, please. Playback speed play. Play. Okay, particles play. Simple. Recompile. So this guy I don't like. I'm gonna override, apply, and I should apply this, and I should override all. So this will play. It should do this when it plays. Let's go. There we go. Village. There we go. Let's grab this. I have an iron sword. There we go. Oops, what happened? What's the matter? There, out of range. Okay, so on weapon collider hit, which comes from on custom collisions. Actions, okay. Slash collider holder. So this guy got activated. And oh, I get it. So let's edit the clip, because it gets activated in the wrong frame. So let's get the hero, let's place it there, and let's open this, let's cancel, let's pause. Quick, do you want quick confirm? No. Okay, go. So let's see, slash let's there. Why? So here slash enable. Okay, clear. So this should be whoop slash collider holder. Let's delete this. Hero. Oh, slash collider holder disabled. So when this gets like this, on weapon collider hit, auto battles. /enable/disable. Okay. Let's see again. Iron swords, and here. Oh, nice. Oh, it activated only once. Yes, only once. Oh, I know why. Because it got destroyed. The particles got destroyed. I'm sure of it. There we go, see? There are no particles. So let's get inside the hero again. And here it has a destroy. Why? Why destroy? Destroy time after 1 second. No thanks. I don't need this. Destroy. Apply. There we go. So let's try once again. Let's try once again. Okay, okay, okay. Village. Oh, there. Iron swords. There we go. Oh, nice. Nice. But it's too fast, I think. Or is it okay? Slash is it really too fast? Let's configure the animation controller slash speed. Let's do a half the speed. Let's try, just let's try. Okay, okay, okay. So let's see this. There, iron sword. Cave is grass. We have a grass there, but I'm not so sure about that. We have a grass there. There we go. Let's look at it from a better angle. Okay, so the speed is better. So I should face the target. He's not facing the target. The speed is right, I think. Maybe a little bit faster. So what else was I trying to do? So this is the slash start. All right. The thing is that I'm not facing this guy, so when I enable the slash, I should face the target. Click face target. There we go. Okay, click face target. Okay, so that's what I should do. The hell? Let's see. There, so I created the slash collider. There. The slash collider should always start disabled and be enabled when the card, when the animation is triggered, and then the right animation click enables the collider. Okay, weapon close combat, sword slash. So let's put it there. slash, let's add it here marker, how there, and let's do slash colliders. Is that how it's called? Effect colliders. Effects colliders. There we go. Effects colliders. Example slash damage or affect by effects. There. So I created a animated slash collider. Wasn't too difficult. Wasn't too difficult. Now I want to see if the effects work, you know, if the card effects work. So let's create the hero. I create the iron swords. I create this there. So I think it should be a little bit higher so I can actually see it. Animated mesh, this collider. Let's see. Oops. There. Slash colliders. Okay, slash blue. So this is a little bit lower, isn't it? Slash blue. A little bit like this. 20. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. Hero slash collider. So it's there, this thing, slash blue, 0.2. slash collider. So now I need to test if it works with effects, combo component, effects component. Let's add 3. Let's go. Oh. And then I need to update how it looks. I mean, to paint the sprite of the card. Okay, so I have I need one of these guys. I need the iron swords. Enemy sleep, enemy sleep, enemy sleep, self, enemy health. This doesn't work at all. Self sleep, enemy health. Okay, let's try this. Self sleep. This is terrible. Anyway, let's try this. There, it works. Wonderful. Oh, what was that? That was amazing. Oh, did it work? What? The second time doesn't activate. Okay. What's going on? Something wrong is going on. Okay, so the attacks work, but something wrong is going on here. Let's rest for a while by working on something else. Portal tower. Buildings, attack, items. There we go. So this will be a iron sword. And I need to find a good looking sword like this one. Like this one. Like this one. Like this one. Like that one. Like that one. Like that one here. Like that one. Like that one. let's see. So this is a very simple sword. This is nice too. Very simple sword. Like this one. Let's see, inverse, flip, vertical, like that. So let's see, let's can I grab this? There we go. Can I move? Oh, I wish I could move. Make it more like a 3D. Replace. Mask. Drop pixels. Rotation. P? What's that P? Oh, it would be really cool if I could just rotate. So it comes like that. There we go. So there. So let's paint it. Like this, and there we go. Oops. So this is my reference. Okay, so the handle is much darker and the blade is much clearer. Okay, so let's make this much clearer, much more bright. let's paint this. There we go, and okay. This is like that. And like this. No. Okay. I think it looks good. Okay, looking good. This is the wrong place. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. So now what else can I do with this? Okay, let's add another right there, right here, like this. Like that. Not too sure about this, honestly. Not too sure about this. Maybe no. Does this look good? Yeah, that looks fine, I think. That looks okay, right? Yeah, that looks okay. So let's add this here. Like that. Okay, good enough. Right? Good enough. So this is all wrong. This is all wrong, man. iced coffee. Can I do something else to the hilt? Man, this should be like much longer. Or maybe not. Wait a second. Now let's keep it like this. Okay, let's leave it like that. Adjustments, color curve, red, green, green, super green, super blooper. No, actually, replace color. No. So let's create a new layer. Let's select this, contiguous, not contiguous, contiguous. Let's delete this. Let's put it here. And can I move this? Try again. Okay. Oh, there. Good. So here I can do an adjustment. Nice. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get, fine. There we go. Iron sword. Looks good. Looks cute. Very nice. So we have the hero, we have the UIs. No, I think, what was it? UI? Card types, icons, sprites. No. Health bar, cards quantity. No, then it was on cards. Cards, images, types, items, close combat, other, a card preset, pixel art UI, apply. So let's see, deck, activation, playable, items, iron swords. Let's see, let's check the sword. Oh, this one looks so much better. It turned out to be really good looking. Much more than I expected. So this is what it looks before, what it looked like before. And I'm going to modify that. Oh, look at this, iron sword. Okay, iron sword. Let's modify to attack a single enemy. Good. I'm gonna have a problem with the localization. Localization plugin. So I'm gonna modify that thing here. Description, background, contents, resources. What? Resources? I'm just gonna change it to background. There. That one. This one. I want to change this one. Description sector. So. Oh, that's my little dog. Hey, what's up? What's going on? my little dogs. Anyway, I'm gonna delete everything. No, I'm gonna destroy this. There we go. Wait a minute. Can I save time by doing this? Okay, this is the best I can do. The rest of you will have to be adjusted manually. Right? Am I right or what? Am I right or what? Delete, delete, delete and delete. There we go. And this one. What's the matter? Oops. There we go. Let's copy this. Wait a second. Okay, let's check. Okay, looks much better. Let's save. I have to say I don't like this music. Let's see. No, I don't like it. Let's see. All right, much more readable. Much more readable. Nice sword, man. Iron swords. Okay, my dog is going crazy. He doesn't want to be inside the house. So what was I doing? Okay, so enemy health plus -2, self health -2, enemy health, self sleep. You know what else I need? Iron swords, wood swords. A basic sword to attack a single enemy. A more powerful sword that can hit various enemies in an arc. There. Let's see. Enemy health minus. Enemy shield. Self health. Enemy health -2. Enemy health +1. So this harms the enemy. There we go. All right. Village. Oh. Common clip events. Auto battles. Okay. So / enable. Okay. Clip face target. Get my auto battles manager face target. So local rotate. So this auto battles manager. What? So if this is destroyed, this shouldn't run. If this is killed, it should return. What? Oh, but what? Wait. One. So this is / enable. What? Has been destroyed? How? Why? It's there. It's still there. Where? How? When was it destroyed? Get transform. This one. Oh, this one. So let's see. So let's see. Combat target. Wait a second. So let's try this. Face target. I should add ors, right? Or this, right? Or so if any is true, I return. Good. Okay. Create more cards. Add some to the game. Graphics for all cards, yes. Twin animation. Skeleton. Skeleton. Goblin. Goblin. Starting down. Polish item card mechanics. Really? Well, yes, this is an ongoing thing. So I'm gonna put it in yellow, step by step. Oh, this. Okay, so I need to upgrade that. Slip twin. Animate heroes and enemies. Okay. What's this? Oh yes, execute effects on target combo card. Okay. So I can have a card that has an effect, a different effect other than activating it. So if I activate the combo, it does something to another card. For example, adding more effects to it or something like that. Or disable the first effect or the second effect, or adding an extra effect, things like that. Okay, add more cards. I added a sword here. The metal sword again. Close combat items. So sword, metal and wood, an axe. Could add an axe, a sword. Okay, should add a long distance. A knife. A throwing knife, for example. That could be cool. Cool. Okay, items, treasures. I should add like magic, right? Like if I throw a meteorite, right? So I could damage enemies. Wait a second, you know what? I really need to do this. Doing animation to sleep effect. Oh, and the icons. Okay, but I should do this. Add twin animating. So I can actually see that the enemy is sleeping. Where is it? Combo, shield, poison, sleep. There we go. So resume activation, stop activation queue, pause the twin sequence. That's what it does. Okay. And let's do a target add twin animation. Target to rotate target transform dot do local rotate rotate fast. Okay, so this is really fast, right there. And let's add a set link target game object. So this makes it sleep. And this is another animation that recovers the guy. Rotate, there we go. Rotate mode fast. There. So what it should do is that when the sleep animation, when the sleep effect triggers, the animation should trigger, and we should see the, oh, you know what else? The animation should stop. That's the thing too. The animation should stop. So let's see, enemies, for example. How can I Bing animation controller? Can I get the animation? Start walking animation, start chasing. My dog here wants to get out and be free, but I won't allow it. I won't allow it. My dog. My little dog wants to get out. So what can I do with this? Pool spawner, entity, on enter zone, enemies, start walking animation, hero travel, this one, what a thing. I wish I could stop these guys. What else can I do? Start idle. Start walk. Let's say public void this little dog only wants to get out and bite people. Stop animations. Walking idle, no. Let's do to do stop all animations. So how do you do that? Okay, let's ask the AI. In Unity 6, what is the simplest way to stop all animations? Okay. Okay. What is the correct way to stop animations? Speed 0. Oh, I can change the speed. Set layer weight, enables false. Search the web for answer to my questions and give me links. Okay, I asked for links. anim stop 6.1. So this is, it's not deprecated, you know. Let's do a stop. Animator controller. Okay, let's change the speed. Stop animations 0. Animator speed resume animations 1. Okay, this is one way to do it. Enemy and hero travel. But here I have the auto battles manager of the target. So maybe I could control the animations from there. Animation, is that the right way to do it? Okay, let's see. My entity being also animator. So I have that an animator. Entity being animator. Is that the right way to do it? I'm not sure. What's this? Building. So this setups the enemies. And this might be animation controller. Okay, I think I should add it here. So we have it in the enemy. So I'm gonna copy it here. my Beam animation controller. Or should I add it on my entity Beam? There. So this gets this entity thing. So I should get this one from here, and I should get my battles, the battle thing dot get battle auto battles manager, get auto battles manager, and then the controller there. So this has the where was it? Where did I leave that? Or my entity. My entity, my Beam animation controller. Should I leave it on the auto battles? Let's add it to the auto battles controller. So where else is this? There, okay. Rename my animation might be okay. So this shouldn't change because it refers to this. So I should let's do this. Public void setup Beam anim controller dot anim my animator equals animator this is set up. And this gets my entity being animator. Wait a second. No, this is all wrong. So there should be so on the building it says here, there, get auto battle manager set up there. Now it makes more sense. So my animator was this. Let's delete this. I hope I'm not breaking anything. I hope I'm improving things. So what's this enemy? Start walking animation at chase target. Set up public void start working animation, right? No, I shouldn't do it this way. Get being an controller. Return this Bane animation controller. There. Get there and start walk animation. There we go. So this is a bit of a mess, I think. Start chasing. Start walk animation. So as I was saying, this is target, get being animation controller, stop animations, and then this resumes animations. That's all I wanted to do. Okay, no errors, good. Let's see if that works. So let's play as normal. There we go. Iron sword, shield, enemy, self. All is enemy health, self shield, self health. Okay, just let's see if that works. Oops. What's missing? No. One error. Oh, right. So animated setup, get setup, entity beam, setup, animation controller. So this is one thing. Animation controller. Animated mesh. Setup. So the problem is that the animation controller. Let's see. Where are you? There. Ping animation controller. Where are you? There. So this is the enemy. We should change the hero to hero. And where are you? Being. There we go. Save. And after that I can modify the, I can add long range weapons. Iron sword, self health -1, self sleep +1. So let's try this. Cave. This is there. Okay, everything works. Animation works fine. And I broke everything. Missing value prompt input, visual scripting. Which one? Collision action, equipable, /graph triggers, sword attack action, activation trigger, input value for input, close combat zone. Get value. Where was it? For the hero, you say? The hero. entity, card template. There, so there's a problem here. Oh, okay. Yes. So this one should get the what was I saying? Should get the animator from the controller. So this should be in graphs. Entity View animation. So now I don't do I entity View. I need to get the autobattles manager. Oops. Where? There. So entity View. Loading. Loading. Okay. Autobattles. Get autobattles manager. And from here, I want to get the my animator. There. My animator. My animator. Get, let's do this, my animator. No, autobattles manager. Come on, bro. No, not the animation controller. My Ving animation controller. My Ving. My my okay, get Okay, I'm gonna go crazy. Get Vim animation controller. Get VE. Get. What's going on? Animator get behaviors. No. What? Get VI gunnan. What? Doesn't appear? What? Okay, maybe, you know what, I think I need to reload visual scripting. No, not this one. Regenerate nodes. Okay, let's see if that works. Haha. There we go. There. Setup. Get. There we go. So now I can get the freaking animator. There we go. There. Wait a second. Okay, delete. There, if not null, there, it goes there, not null, there. There. Okay, let's go there, there, there. Okay, and there. So if not null, it comes there. If it is null, okay, I'm gonna remove these and I place them here. There. Looks nice, doesn't it? So if this is not null, it goes there. Maybe it shouldn't be so far away. It crossfades. If it's null, there. Get my pool spawner. Get my compound. If it's null, get my command clip events. My entity bin. Get my pool spawners. So okay, this is going to be a pain to debug. Okay, so this is run if there is no animator. Okay, whatever. Let's save this. Let's do this. Self sleep, enemy self health, enemy sleep +2 self shield. Okay, let's do this. So this is a rock and rock and this there. Okay, animations work fine. Oh, there he's sleeping. There. Sleeping. Okay, so the animation stop, which is good. Oh, you know what? Oh, well, first of all, I'm really happy it's working without problems. So this, the Y is the problem. XY, no. XY, no. This should be 90 to recover itself. And 0 on the X, on the X axis, minus 90 and plus 90. What a pain, man. but I'm really happy that it's working fine. So, okay, village, whoop, there. So iron sword, can I do a enemy sleep? Self health, self shield. There we go. So let's do this. What the heck? Wait a minute. This isn't working. Enemy. Why it isn't working? So if I twist you like this, nothing happens. When I twist you like this, it should be that way. Plonk. 90. X on the X. Oh, wait a second, this is a disaster. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't do it with a twin. Look at the thing. Enemy. Should I get the transform? Entity being, auto battles, my status. Maybe the entity being has the animated mesh. Maybe I should create a new animation. That's the simplest way, isn't it? Wait, don't go crazy. So wait. So not these transforms. Get the transform controller. There. Do local rotate. I'll be right back. So this should take the mesh, I mean the model, not the entire object, you know. Wait, did I save? Wait a second, I'm gonna make sure it's compiled. Compile. Recompile. Okay, so it should be all compiled. Village. No, food and okay, thank you. No, not this, not you, not what? Okay, okay. It said okay. There. Iron swords. Do I have a sleep? Sleep, enemy shield, self health, self sleep. So I want an enemy sleep. Okay. So I'm gonna give them sleep and a shield at the same time. Let's go. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work. It's working, but the twin doesn't do its twin. Why not? It's not twinning. So you, for example, you have the sleep. Slime, animated mesh. What? So oh, I'm a silly bastard. So you, enemy prefab data. This is the same. So gets the target here. Wait a second. Get animation controller. Animator. Maya animator. So the animator is public. Man, I should just do an animation, you know. Yeah, man. I shouldn't make things so complicated. So, no. Add twin animation, no. Okay, I need to do this. Really, it's gonna take some time. No, it's super easy actually. It's stupidly easy to make the sleep animation. What am I talking about? I just have to grab this guy, the hero, put the animation mesh there, add a new clip called sleep, like this, sleep. Under rotation, add keys, and just do like that, bloom, there. So I was having, that's it actually, that's it. But I want to add a few more. Boom. There, just a little bit there. Oops. There, you know. Whoa. Boom. Wow. Boom. There. Take that. So was that really hard or what? That was so easy. Current clip. There. So now I take the animator and take the sleep here and put it, make transition to idle. So what else? Sleep. This is not. I have the graphs, I have the hero, I have the enemy. There. I can delete this guy. Now I have a goblin. I have the animated mesh. What? No, wait. No. Goblin. There. Now let's do it. Let's add a new one called sleep. There we go. So just like the other one, it starts there and it gets crazy like this. Bloom. So it's 270, right? There. Plump. So let's add keys. Let's move you up. Wait, no. There. Now a little bit there. And now I'm gonna do a little bit like this. Whoa, puff. There. You fell asleep. There we go. Again, export current clip, sleep animation. Perfect. So now I have to edit the animator. Basic attack, walk, sleep, and you walk to idle, right? No, I shouldn't actually. Well, let's leave it like that. Idle, walk, basic attack, idle, walk. Okay. So now I have to delete this guy. I add the rat, so this guy is going to animate differently. Do we have the rat here? Yes. So it was a little bit complicated. Barbarian? What? No. Open project. Rat. There we go. Barbarian. Okay, whatever. Barbarian? What? Oops, well, okay. Sleep. So this guy is here. No. Or not. Let's go. So the position, let's position him here. Let's get the rotation there. So after 15 he goes like that. Like that. Like this. There. It works fine. So let's export the current clip. What's warning? Okay. I don't mind. So we have the rat animator, sleep, no transitions. Just let's try that. Now let's do the goblin, rat, skeleton. So let's delete the rat. Let's add the skeleton. Do we have the skeleton here? Yes. Idle punch. Let's add a sleep. So you have a position and you have a rotation, and in 15 you drop death. What happened? Oh, I forgot. There we go. So in what? Okay, whatever. Let's delete this. Let's add keys and add keys. So after 15 you fall asleep. Plump. And you move a little bit there, and you jump a little bit. Whoop. Wonderful. Whoop. Great. So now I export current clip. Perfect. And let's take the skeleton animator. Let's add the sleep. Let's delete the skeleton and let's do the watcher. We have the slime next. So how should he sleep? Open project, slime. So let's add the thing here, and let's add a new clip called sleep. So we have the position, the rotation, looks good. So this guy will change. Okay, I get it. This is going to change all of the keys. So let's start with keys with for all of the things. Let's add a position. No, let's add the rotation like that. Will this work? Not sure. The scale is going to be funny, I hope. There. And the position is going to be like that. Okay. Plump. Looks funny to me. So what else I can do with this? I can change this scale and the position a little bit like this. Whoop, plump. There we go. Okay. It's kind of funny. Current clip. Sleep. So the slime animator, we have the sleep. Let's move it here. Sleep. Slime. Then we have the watcher. Hello, watcher. Let's animate you. What? No, abort. Let's load. Open watcher. There we go. Animated. So this has the position in a weird place. Let's do sleep. A clip with the name of sleep. scale. So what can I do? Okay, so let's change the position and the rotation. So the rotation is like, wait a second. The rotation goes like that. Let's change the position. There. There. Okay, it works, I guess. Export current clip. So let's edit the watcher, animator, sleep. There we go. So it's finished. Was it terrible? No. So now what I have to do is create a start sleep animation. It's that easy, man. Set bool. What's all of this? I don't get it. Set bool. What? Oh, wait a second. Is this more complex than I than I thought? So I have parameters here. Skeleton walking. Look at that. So what? Walking. So let's do it like that. Crossfade. What? Walking. Set walk. Crossfade. Let's do a sleep. Let's do a true. Really? Do I really need this? No. I'm gonna delete this. So let's do a sleep. And this is transition. Let's do a 1. Start sleep animation. Okay, let's see. Sleep. Start sleep animation. And then start idle animation. There we go. Let's try this to see what happens. No changes applied. Let's go. Okay. So, nice sword, man. So we have a hero there. We have a sword. Enemy sleep, enemy health, enemy shield, self sleep, enemy sleep. So I have a rock and a thing. Let's go. Look at that. Oh man. Come on. Oh, so nice. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so the problem is that this transition happens immediately because it worked fine with the slime. There, see, there is no transition, but it didn't work with the goblin because it had an immediate transition to the idol. Let's try again. That was amazing. Amazing. Oh, what I need to finish this. I need to finish working for today. Oh man, I love this. I love this. So this one there. I need to adjust the size of the selection zone. Is too big, I think. Enemy self-sleep. No, thank you. Wait, I need to check if I did the hero correctly. Hero, model, barbarian. Okay, that's the problem. Let's select this, sleep, slash to work or idle. Now let's go basic attack to idle. There we go. Man, I need some power. Let's go. Village. There. Sword. There. Enemy shield. Sleep. Self-sleep. Enemy sleep. There, take that. Now, let's build this. There. Go, do it. Fight. Come on, attack him. Attack the goblin. That's awesome, man. I love it. Ouch. Oh, that's awesome. I love it. I love how it looks. So nice. Ouch. Oh. That's so good. That's awesome, man. I love it. I love this. Come on, attack. Okay, so I need to finish for today. That was awesome. Add animation to sleep effect. Okay, this is done. Okay, let's do this. This is an ongoing thing because when I add a new enemy, I need to add the sleep effect animation. So tomorrow I could add the long range weapon. Long range ninja stars. I can add a throwing knife, throwing axe. Well, actually I can do like this: throwing knife, throwing axe, throwing hammer. What else? Throwing knife, axe, hammer, lance, net, trident, cool, a nice trident. A rock, a piece of poop, a cat, why not? That's going to be really funny. I already have an idea for a model for it. Yes, the idea is to make fun things, funny things, I hope. I mean, I love cats, but when you throw a cat to a person, that's something really terrible to do, right? It's gonna destroy the enemies. Okay, this is awesome. I really like this. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. There we go. There. So I guess that with that I'm gonna finish the stream. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you